Hello everyone, I am back. This time, I'm doing something a little bit different. A Windows tutorial. With that being said, I am one of the people that believe Linux is a little bit better. But wait, this is not an indoctrination video. I'm not switching you over yet. This video is for people who just want a more convenient Windows experience. As a byproduct of that, you will learn a tool which has much more commonly used alternatives on Linux, but it's still pretty good on Windows. Package managers. In the case of Windows, the package manager is called Winget. It's a tool that allows you to manage applications on your PC in an adjacent sense to like a Linux package manager. You can imagine a package manager like Steam, I guess, would be a good example. It's a convenient place to install, uninstall, update, or find different versions, different packages. But instead of games, it's like applications and stuff on your PC. It also handles dependencies for you. So if you have like an app that needs a Python version, you don't need to go do some weird crap to your PC to get it to run. And instead of a package manager being a whole app, it's a nice set of commands in a little terminal. I know that's scary for some people, but I promise it's actually a lot more convenient if you take the 2 minutes it takes to figure it out. And just to prove my point, I'm going to show you guys a little example. Let's say I wanted to install 3 apps. Krita, Steam, and Discord. Now, if I wanted to do that, I'd have to click on here, go to Krita, then I'd have to go to Steam, then I'd have to go to Discord, and then I'd have to download the installer, install Steam, Discord, install Discord, download for Windows, whatever. With Winget, you don't have to do that. If you just pull out CMD, now we do, to install those same 3 applications, Winget, install, Discord, Krita, Steam, and that's it. You didn't need to switch through 3 different tabs. You don't need to install any installers that you'll have to delete later. You just do this. Windows did not have the path set up properly, but if you do winget install, guess what happens? It does a little thing. Multiple package found for Discord. Found an existing package already installed. Trying to upgrade the install package. No available upgrade found. Now, as you can see, Discord, Krita, Steam, if I didn't already have them installed, that's literally all it would have taken for me to install them. And then of course the administrator permissions comes up. Otherwise, it's pretty much the same deal as on Linux. Now, another cool thing you can do with Winget is you just do winget update -- all. And now, instead of having to go to every website and install, I'd have to click on this link, go to fastfetch.com. Click on this link, go to Microsoft Edge WebView. I actually don't want that, but you get the point. So this piles up eventually when you have like 5-10 different apps that you need to install from the internet. You don't have to do that anymore. With Winget, it just does it. It's gone. It's done. And then you just sit here. Maybe you have to accept a few prompts, but that's better than the regular way of clicking every single website, which is a lot more like Linux. So while this isn't necessarily the most mind-blowing tool, it is something to allow you to get comfortable using the terminal to do stuff on your computer that just is better in the terminal anyways. There's no reason to pull out a browser to install 30 different things when all you have to do is type up a little script and then you can install 300 different things on 7 computers at the same time. The terminal exists for a reason, and it's because a lot of things that you do on your computer either can't be done via a GUI or are just a lot more simple with a few words on your little hacker screen. So if you felt this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.